Friendship is one mind in two bodies. With melted snow, I boil fragrant tea. Only when there are things a man will not do is he capable of doing great things. The way of truth is like a great road. It is not difficult to know it. The evil is only that men will not seek it. Integrity, wisdom, skill, intelligence, such things are forged in adversity. People are distressed by their inability to do it. The problem, however, is simply that they don't do it. The feeling of right or wrong is the beginning of wisdom. That's like climbing a tree to find a fish. A man must not be without shame, for the shame of being without shame is shamelessness indeed. A great man is he who has not lost the heart of a child. Don't do what should not be done, and don't desire what should not be desired. Abide by this one precept, and everything else will follow. Sincerity is the way to heaven. All beneath heaven is rooted in nation. Nation is rooted in family, and family is rooted in self. Make your learning abundant and speak of it with precision. Then you will speak of essentials. Treat others as you would be treated. Devote yourself to that, for there's no more direct approach to humanity. Words that defy reality are ominous, and it's ominous reality that confronts those who would obscure the wise and worthy. All the children who are held and loved will know how to love others. Spread these virtues in the world. Nothing more need be done. Getting something done is like digging a well. You can dig a well 70 feet deep, but if you don't hit water, it's just an abandoned well. Words that speak of things close at hand and carry far-reaching implications. Those are the good words. Friends are the siblings God never gave us. I am not fond of disputation. I have no alternative. It's simple. To say anything about the nature of things, you must attend to the facts in their original form. The trouble with knowledge is that it keeps chiseling things away. All tongues savor the same flavors. All ears hear the same music. And all eyes see the same beauty. When men are subdued by force, they do not submit in their minds, but only because their strength is inadequate. When men are subdued by power and personality, they are pleased to their very heart's core and do really submit. The great man does not think beforehand of his words that they may be sincere, nor of his actions that they may be resolute. He simply speaks and does what is right. We live not as we wish to, but as we can. There are things a person wants more than life, and there are also things he or she loathes more than death. If someone stops where they should not, they'll stop anywhere. If someone slights a person they should treat generously, they'll slight anyone. And if someone races ahead, they retreat in a hurry. When someone dies, you say, "It wasn't me, it was due to the harvest." How is this different from killing someone by stabbing him and saying, "It wasn't me, it was due to the weapon"? If your majesty does not blame the harvest, then the people of the world will come to you. When people put profit before righteousness, they cannot be satisfied without grasping for more. Truth, uttered before its time, is always dangerous. There is no greater delight than to be conscious of sincerity on self-examination. The disease of men is that they neglect their own fields and go to weed the fields of others. Try your best to treat others as you would wish to be treated yourself, and you will find that this is the shortest way to benevolence. The foundation of the world lies in the nation. The foundation of the nation lies in the family. The foundation of the family lies in the individual. He who loves others is constantly loved by them. He who respects others is constantly respected by them. The feeling of right or wrong is the beginning of wisdom. The best things in life come in threes, like friends, dreams, and memories. Listen to a man's words and look at the pupil of his eye. How can a man conceal his character? If you love men and they are unfriendly, look into your love. If you rule men and they are unruly, look into your wisdom. If you are courteous to them and they do not respond, look into your courtesy. If you do what is vain, always seek within. He who attends to his greater self becomes a great man, and he who attends to his smaller self becomes a small man. Only those who develop their minds and spirits to the utmost can serve heaven and fulfill their own destinies.